Today, the 1st of December, we commissioned this all-important road, Rumuodogo 1 and Rumuodogo 2 communities, for the use of our people, who are basically agrarian communities, and for the use of mankind, in the name of God the Father, in the name of God the Son, and God and Holy Spirit. Rumuodogo 1, Rumuodogo 2, Link Road and Drains, Emohua Local Government Area, Rivers State, built and commissioned by our administration under my leadership on this day, Thursday 1st, December 2022, to the glory of Almighty God. Communities, leaders of Emohua Local Government, our very beautiful women who have come out here in their numbers to give us very, very interesting songs. Our dear youths that are here, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, I request about Mecca. Equeno was about Mecca. Emohua Local Government Mecca. Rumuodogo was about Mecca. Hello, Osagrio. My dear brothers and sisters, today is the 1st of December, 2022. We give God the glory that we are able to see the month of December, and we will see next year by the grace of God. Today is a special day. Of all the commissioners who have had, I've not been touched the way I'm touched in today's commissioning. Some of you may not understand what we are talking about, because you may have been lucky to come from where there are roads, to come from where government has provided amenities for you. This is a community or communities, as the case may be, that have never seen the presence of government in terms of road. This is an agricultural community. They are not just farmers. Yet, whatever they produce cannot come to the market because there's no road. And I've told anybody who cares, nobody knows whom God will send tomorrow to bail you out. When Chidi Lord came with a young man, is it in command or what? I don't know. I think so. Asunda, They came and said they want to join us. That they have left the wilderness. But the only thing they asked from me, they said, look, if you can help us to give us road. They did not ask for money. They asked for what? Road.
He came, they came. Yes, so Wike, help us, so hide your face.
I instantly promised them, go home and sleep. By the special grace of God, we will do this road.
Yes, so Wike,
when I came to flag off this road, I never entered here. It was commissioned at the junction of the East-West Road. Until some time when I came for inspection, I wept. I never told the community that was coming. I told the council chairman, let us drive down to Rumuodogo. Let me see about the job we gave out. It was when I came here and I said, God, I thank you for using me as a vessel to provide this infrastructure. I got to the waterfront, that the boundary between them and Degema. Today we are here, 1st of December, to commission this road. I was watching on television this morning. I overheard one of the ministers. I don't know which of the ministry, because I don't normally like to remember where they come, I don't know. With the service, the Minister of State for budget or this and that, I don't know. You know, when they go on television, they open their mouth and talk anyhow. He said, oh, governors are the problem. They don't do rural roads. And I asked him, where and where have you been? You just sit down there. You have not been to anywhere to go and check whether there have been rural roads that have been done or not. And you open your buccal cavity because you have the opportunity as a minister to talk anyhow. Come to River State and see whether we are doing roads that will lead to the agricultural produce to be brought out or not before you open your mouth. We are not doing roads in the city alone. We are doing roads in all local government areas of this state. So I'm proud. What is governance all about? Governance is all about happiness of the people. Rumuodogo, are you happy? Rumuodogo people, are you people happy? Mr.
Follow Uno Rodo 2023. Follow Uno Rodo Sasfumara.
So, Mr. Minister, who is always in Abuja because of appointment they gave you, come and ask Rumuodogo people the impact of this road as agri community. What will happen? So as far as people are happy, I'm happy. Isn't that true? When you are happy, I'm happy. When you are angry, I'm angry.
As he dey pain them, he dey sweet us. the sewing class. You go there. SYMFONI 23.
Now, Rumuodogo, Animeka. Now, no kuna no ka now. Anagamanoku. Imenum many. Abra. Imenum
SYMFONI 23.
So, nyekara njuwasi, ekarani yasi. Abla. Nyekara nmasala, ekarani yawa zala. Election in 2023. Anugamo kuga. Election in 2023. Of election kebunu yeka Rumuodogo say. Rumuodogo menaya vote. Abla.
SYMFONI de Combo 2023.
So
Nyesom Wike de Taco 2023. SYMFONI Odu de Com 2023.
you know, some people can be agents of other parties, so we have to watch them. Anybody who not Rumuodogo are your wire. Anybody who not Rumuodogo are your wire. Obla ome promise. Kabu promise made. Promise fulfilled. Obla no ma bia tomorrow. As malake ya bia tomorrow. Kibiara bia hafa. Obla kibiara bia hafa. So 2023 election, and you are going to vote. You should go for a KDS. Back governors in the PDP. Rawabu Similaya, Fubara Oblaya. And you are going to vote. You should only well on Yesu. Yankes as a Senate. Nabuja no may represent. And you know her. Che. Nundeokeka. Oblaya. No have an assembly pa. And you are going to vote. You got our sister. You gave me that support from time to time. But just in a mechi. Oblaya. Aha. Cabo. Kama Kanabukadi Yemi. Oblaya. The president. Maya Haya. Oblaya.
Follow Rumuodogo. We can say follow Rumuodogo. SYMFONI.
Now, for this man should not sing again to the Lydia. Now, Anle. As a part. You heard that's ready. Quarter. Mahia. Ndaye Fura in Wama. Ndaye Cholomena Lihono. Ndaye Cholomena State in Oblaya. Oblan Habari Party. Obia Huna and Aya. Obia Yenu vote. Oblaya. So everybody, Melembe. Anda makarana, Ozinyo Togun. One Gangapa is very, very, very capable. Mama Ngamo Kuota. One Gangapa. What is the capacity? Honorable Abochol and Mayeba. And Ramagada. And you want a battle. And the university want a battle. Honorable Abochol and Mayeba. So, Ozian Bomala Mini, Naga say, Kai make an O2, Oscom, Ozama Honope. Burabunde Bogi, and a Gamaganan. So, Anuque in your Blapa, Canano Carmen, so Carmen, Babylon Suquaba, and that Rumuodogo road is there. Mamma, what a Hamuka. Akaba motor apapa aka motor ba ewepa ba be das ka my brother ka berepa so Rumuodogo ke won apa mbre anizipa o kini ke mere siri pa na Rumuodogo yari ba Rumuodogo bi yari Rumuodogo ri yari pa ya obla ya so mbo ko sulu kiam but ma be ha ko ro anaka baraga Maya, boys, man, I came down, blah, she get walk over blacking. Now, my brothers and sisters, you know why we are commissioning this project? You know why? It is too much, I beg. I should ask you.
If we can talk to you, yes, so we can talk to you. Yes, so we can talk to you. Hunger go.
Now, listen. Remember, he told us that there is no way we will get money to pay salaries. There is no way we will get money to pay pensioners and their gratuities. Not to talk about doing projects. That was what our brother said in May 27, 2015. I took over in May 29, 2015, 2 days after his birthday. And then we said, God, you must show that you are God. If a man has decreed so, God, why are you God? You must show that you are God. And so, God is infinite mercy. God is infinite mercy. Did not only, anybody so, so God is infinite mercy because of the love he has for the people of this state. God did not only provide money for us to pay salaries. God did not only provide money to pay pensioners and their gratuities. God had provided money. Today, we have done Rumuodogo Road. Today, a governor then that had all the money, God gave him all the money. He refused to do this road. And he said, we will not get money. He thinks that people of Rumuodogo will still be backward. God said, no. The time has come for Rumuodogo to be remembered. The time has come that people must know a community called Rumuodogo. And today is your day. And you have to tell them, you will pay them back with your PVC card. You will pay them back for the sofa they gave to you. So, why should I not be happy? A man said, you can't be this. A man took the position of God. As far as he was concerned, you cannot be anything. But the Almighty God said, no, who are you? I am the one who will decide. And God decided. And today, we have money to do something. And based on that, but God used somebody to bring that money. Is it not true? Has anybody seen God one day? Even me now, God is using me to bring out Rumuodogo. So, when you thank God, will you not thank me? Will you not say, God, I give you the glory? God, I thank you for bringing a vessel. Is it not true? If you do that, did you do bad? Did you do bad? So, what is my crime today in the Niger Delta State? What did I do? What I said, God, I thank you for using Muhammad Buhari to give me money to do this road I'm doing. Did I commit any offense? Did I commit any offense? If you go to a church and say, God, thank you, did you do bad? And when you thank God, say, God, thank you for using Nyesom Wike to do Rumuodogo road, did you do bad? I don't know the offense I committed that I said, thank you for being a vessel, that God using you as a vessel to release money that nobody has released to us, and I'm using the money to work for my people. It becomes a problem. But let me tell those who are making noise, whether you're a governor, I don't care. Whether whoever you are, wherever you may be, I don't care. I came to run as governor of River State. There was no governor that said, I want to put you as a governor. I came on my own. God said, I want to use you. There was a sitting governor who defeated the sitting governor. Some governors were brought by their godfathers. I never had any godfather to bring me as a governor. The only godfather I had was God and the people of River State. So when some governors are talking, they should know those they are talking with. We are not at the same level. We are not at the same level, and we can't be at the same level. Some people couldn't withstand the federal might. They lost in their state. Federal might came here with the army, with whatever. Did we not win? Did you not win? Does it not tell them something? Let these small people keep quiet. Tell them to keep quiet. If you are not prepared for governance, give up. I am prepared for governance. I was prepared. I'm still prepared. I will prepare till I leave. How can people talk? Simply I said, thank Buhari for giving us money. I'm not a fan of Buhari. All of you know that. I'm not one of those they like. I'm not one of those who go to Abuja to see them. But the truth must be told. When somebody has done well in an aspect, he says he has done well in this aspect. I mean, you cannot change it. Whether you like me or not, I did Rumuodogo road, is it not? It's not true. So no matter how you hate me, won't you give me that credit that I did Rumuodogo road? So even if you don't like Buhari, should I not say he released the money that I'm using to do something? Is there anything wrong in that? Did I commit an offense? Did I commit any murder case? So, some people are not grateful in life. Even when you help them, they can never be grateful. I will continue to be grateful to people, and I will continue to be grateful to God Almighty. It doesn't matter my views about you. It doesn't matter how I may criticize you. But when you have done one good thing, I will tell you, you have done one good thing. When you have done what is wrong, I will tell you, you have done wrong. How can some people open their mouth, say, oh, 3-kilometer road in their state is more than how many flyovers in rivers? What an insult is that? River State is in Niger Delta State, is it not? Is it not? God bless us. We have riverine areas. We have land areas. I don't know who can claim to be more riverine than River State. Before, all of us said, well, that. Now because I said, Buhari, thank you. Some of them now say, oh, after all, I spent this money. I didn't tell you to give account. I never said so. All I said, thank you, Buhari. And what I expected them to do is to say, yes, thank Buhari. Now you are saying you received this. What is my business? What's my business? If you say you have more water, do the one that you have water. Let us see. I have never done any project more than a year and a half. I challenge anybody. 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 I can tell you the contractors doing job in this state. I challenge them. Name them. Name those who are doing in your state. It's not whether I like you, wicked, don't like you, wicked. It's immaterial. Do you need to like me? Am I a girlfriend? Am I a wife? What's my business? Do your own. Not to do project 4 years, one project. I will never do any project in 4 years. I won't do it. Because doing project of 4 years means you are doing variation and the rest of it. I am not a party to that. Some people have been sending their people to insult me. I laugh. I hear some people, they call them acquirable professionals. They were insulting me. I said, tell the man who sent you to come out. You are just small kids. I'm waiting for the big master. Come. Some people say, oh, it's your professionals. You that are sending them, come out. It's you I'm looking for. I'm not looking for all these fries. I don't need to do that. Back belly, that we are doing 12 flyovers. Now, Mr. Make you no do. I'm not doing only roads. Go and see what we have done in health sector. Go and see. Look, River State government. River State government. Go and see what we did in Yenegua Law School. We put not less than 5.something billion to recover that school. I challenge anybody to recover the school in the South Side. When the Council of Legal Education gave us the campus of law school, we built it within 10 months on record. I challenge any state, commission projects in 3 weeks. Every day. I challenge anyone. So what are you talking about? I'm not running an election. I don't need to be a sycophant. But the truth must be told at all the time. So if you want to face Wike, come out and face Wike. Don't begin to hide. Come and face me. You know I have the capacity. There's none of them. I can. And I've told them, be careful. How many times did I say it? All these one people are saying, we got this, we got this. Is that the first trench or second trench or the third trench? We will talk at the appropriate time. I have never gone to a meeting with anybody in life and we agree on something and I abandon it. I'm not a betrayer. It's not in my blood. I will not do it. My people say you don't learn left hand at old age. What is not in you is not in you. So if you know them, go and tell them they should face their problems. Let me do whatever we say I should do. And Rivers people are happy. Are you not happy? Are you not happy? I am going, if we started since November 14, we'll end tomorrow, Friday. Then by Monday, we'll start flagging off new projects, new projects, new projects, new projects. I will pepper them. Do you know what I mean? Look, the politics today is not to talk. The politics now is Operation Show Your Report card. Isn't that true? Show me what you have done, not what I will do. And that's why nobody can match us here. All those who say they are running an election, which election are they running? You want to be governor? With which party? I don't understand which party. Because you hear people must run for governor, therefore you go and take any party to run for governor. See this party, I don't know what they call them. The one that your brother was the governor before, I don't know. They stole everything. You saw the plane I brought back. You saw the plane? Or I see the plane. Somebody go hide them. A Karawa Gas Tabai is self-finished with a business partner. Now they want to be governor. Will you allow it? Will you allow it? Rumuodogo, I'm not hearing you. Will you allow it? Let them come to Rumuodogo. I campaign here. Far, far, far. Far, far, far. Now, for the land, you want to give me a thank you. But bring the land for us to build something for the communities. I don't need, I hereby donate the land back to you. Then I will come and build something for you. So you sit on your own and tell me what you want me to use that land to build for the people of Rumuodogo. Do you understand me? So on that basis, let me invite our leaders to join us and rejoice. If not because of the program we have, I would have stayed in Rumuodogo today and gyrate with our people and dance with our people and wrestle with the people of Rumuodogo. I can confess to you, within the Queer ethnic nationality, one of the communities that can wrestle well, even though they like to dress up like the Calabari people, and you go around and go around. But you know, anytime you see my program, there's a problem. Rumuodogo people can wrestle, but when they see my program, there's a problem. So let me invite all of you to join us and commission this road to the glory of God.